that was fun. I think somebody just demonstrated, there are a couple of screenshots, I'm not sure how I can include those, but somebody just demonstrated how I think the Tigo shop app, maybe it's insecure, and they did a test push message and they managed to change my Wi-Fi allocation onto some random HP LaserJet. I don't know, and they probably downloaded a piece of software that NSO group wrote. It's great fun, this shit. You really need to get something better than this fucking crap. App servers and all this garbage, and the fucking JavaScript, Java virtual machine has got an fucking security hole in it. You can basically replace the class loader with anything you like. So, you know, you do that at the beginning, you trace everything, you get everything, there's nothing, there's no fucking point. You don't need any fancy, you know, prime factorization code, because you're getting plain text from the API, and all the fucking APIs are designed to be easy to intercept. And then in 1998, everybody went to dynamic libraries because you could do this. So come on, wake up, guys.